my YouTube channel. Today I'm gonna be showing you how to make the delicious Dalgona coffee. The Dalgona coffee, it's the viral whipped coffee that you guys see everywhere. I made it the other day and I posted on my Instagram stories and everyone was asking about it. So I'm gonna show you guys how to make it. Today's recipe is gonna be keto, but this recipe can easily be made for any other type of diets. Let's jump into the ingredients. We're gonna need 2 tablespoons of warm water, 2 tablespoons of instant coffee, 2 tablespoons of powdered erythritol, milk, sugar-free vanilla syrup, and a glass full of ice. So we're gonna start by adding our coffee. Then we're gonna add our warm water. Lastly, you're gonna add the erythritol. And if you're not keto, you can substitute this with any other sweetener or type of sugar. And now is where the fun begins. With the mixer, we're gonna mix all our ingredients and whip the coffee. In order for the coffee to completely whip, it's gonna take about 5 minutes, so hold on with me and keep whipping the coffee. You will get there, trust me. After mixing for around 5 minutes, your coffee should look like this foam and really fluffy. So now that we've whipped our coffee, we're gonna start assembling everything together. So we're gonna start by pouring our milk into our iced glass. And today I'm gonna be using coconut milk, but you can use any milk of your preference. Regular milk, almond milk, anything. So we're gonna put 3/4 of milk in our glass. And I'm just gonna add a splash of my sugar-free vanilla syrup. We're gonna top it up with our whipped coffee. And there you have it, your Dalgona coffee. I swear this drink is really refreshing and it's super easy to make and it's delicious. Now all you have to do is shake it. So mix the milk with the coffee and enjoy. So thank you guys again for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed the coffee. And if you guys like the recipe, don't forget to give the thumbs up, subscribe down below, and leave a comment. See you guys next time.